Hello, welcome to Jordan Richard YouTube channel. So today is the day one of filming combines. So they're combining today. I'm now going up to the field. They've started the round bale of the field on the left here, but that is just going to be boring video. That is stop and start. But yeah, I'm going to take you on a little journey with the camera. Bit bumpy on this back road, but yeah, 2019. So yeah, they actually cut all these fields up this end, so I wasn't expecting it all to be cut. It's looking a bit, it's not looking as golden as it normally is, but yeah, I know where to come. Excuse me, that's my phone. Right, let's go. Sorry about that, I had a phone call. So yeah, I'm going to whack the videos, much videos as I can today, because I'm working tomorrow, so that was my boss. Okay. Didn't have Bluetooth on, did I? Bloody... I won't put the aircon on because that's right, the camera. But yeah, going to do a bit of filming up here. Got a front row seat again. Careful this corner, it's quite sharp, people fly down through. Whoa. Yeah, there's John Deere in there. You might be able to see it on the camera. Get past it, don't know who's bathing. Don't know who that is, somebody. That's Chris Eddie's tractor. Yeah, I've got a bit of a walk down. I've got my attachment for my tripod. Yeah. Alright, we're going to park the old car up here. So I got to walk like 20 minutes. My usual space. Drink my drink, and then we'll crack on and do some videoing. I'm excited for this. I haven't watched the combine this year. Whee! Here we go. Yep, definitely crack on. Got work tomorrow, so I'm doing the late shifts again at work. So this is my only chance to film in actually. They've been working quite late at night. So what my plan is, whack many videos out today. Well, do a bit of filming today. I want to film about an hour. Come back later on, film some more. And then that should do it. I left my tripod home. Not my tripod, it's in there. I left my attachment. I don't think I've got a spare one in here either. No. Oh shit. Bollocks. No, I don't. That is not good, but yeah. Right, let's crack on. Right, let's go. You need a combine. I can actually know where the field is. Ideal, closer than I thought actually, walking. Yeah, my tripod's a lot easier when... Shut that. Car is absolutely filthy. Look at that. That's salt and crap all on that. Shall I slot? So yeah, I haven't done a video for a while. Filming. Yeah. Probably get ran over in a minute, but yeah. So excited to do this, but I'm filming this the first time this year I actually got on track for filming a combine. So I think it's in the top field up there. But yeah, let's go and annoy some farmers and do some filming. Yeah, I don't know if I know they're bailing down the bottom end there, but see, this is better when I have my tripod. Move out of the way. Yeah, definitely put the camera to use today. I cut this one here over the edge there, so they are definitely cracking on this season before the rain and all comes back. So we had quite a bit of rain lately, so the balers will all be out of force, which I want to film later. Not too concerned about video and round bales, because that boring video and that, because it stops start all the time. So yeah, I'm going to walk out this lane and I'll cut to the videos, and I'll see you in a minute. Okay, so we're in a shore field. You smell it, it's smelling dry. I think they're definitely bailing this later. They got loads of offshore laying on. It's a brilliant crop this year compared to last year. But I don't know whereabouts they actually are bailing. Not bailing, combining. I think it's up here by the sounds of it. So hopefully I don't have to walk across 2 fields just to get a look at a combine. But the wind is blowing across, so it looks quite rain. Look like we're going to have a shower. Hope we don't. Let's say. Yeah, I think they're on the other end. I think they've done these fields up here. Interesting. I'll film when anything good happens. I'll put the record on. I'm actually at the perfect view actually. So we're now going around the headland on this field. I went up the back and no other farmers can see me. Looking a bit black, so definitely needed combining. Looking a bit dusty. Pretty good crop. Get a good amount of bales out here. Won't be staying up here long, don't want to get too much of a... There's a combine. 2019. Let's go. Yeah, I don't know how much actually I'm going to record, but definitely looking a good crop. Definitely enough dust coming off it. This would be ideal from a tripod really, but unfortunately I left the attachment somewhere. Looking behind me, I didn't thought it was a tractor behind me coming. Okay, I think that's going to be enough for combining already. It's just, yeah, it's too windy and dusty, getting in the eyes. But yeah, I'm going to see if I can find some baling. So I didn't look too happy with me recording, so I'll just go this way. But yeah. Never mind, I'll go and find some baling. But yeah, feel like it's going to rain anyway. Yeah, I think that's going to be near enough it for 2019. It wasn't very much of a video, was it? But I might film some again. I'm just gets too busy at work, so yeah. I'll catch you in a minute. All these round baling like that. I don't know if I can focus properly, but but yeah, we zoom right back in. Yeah, it's going to be a few 100 round bales in that one. So I'm going to head off home now anyway. But yeah, got a sort of bit of combining today. Not on fire over there. Yeah, what I'm going to do is start recording on, do some farm simulator stuff. So, and I've got Forza 7 and all that shit. So yeah, I'm going to start recording some stuff from there for the winter. And there'll be other videos coming out, but until I finish these evening shifts down St Ives, it is, I don't know, it's annoying because I can't record in the day because I start at a certain time, finish like 8 at night, it's time to get home and all, and have my tea and all, it's like 10 o'clock, so yep, going back down there, so yeah. But I'm gonna head back to my car. It's quite warm in the sun, but I'm a bit annoyed. I did want to film more, but what can I do? Hey, carry this keep camera around. I could get a smaller camera, I think, easier to film. But I've just been laid back with my videos this year. Proper angular. Yeah, I'm going to put all this video up in one, but they didn't look too happy with me filming actually. Not like I'm up there all the time. Literally up there for 20 minutes, but yeah, probably panicking for the rain and all. But I'm going to go home, upload this, head back to my car. My car is actually going oh, did I press a button? Yeah, my car is going next year, end of April hopefully, and yeah, so that's what's happening next year hopefully. Yeah, not too much going on. It's only one combine and one tractor and a baler over there. Nothing really full on anyway to film, so not compared to last year. Next year will be different, but like I say, when you're working all the time, you don't actually have a chance to get the old camera out and go places. It's not like it used to be anyway, when I'm filming all the time. So I'm doing more things at work and all, so YouTube is normally a spare time thing. Yeah, don't know what I'm going to do for the winter. Probably mix it up a little bit. So probably like 50-50. So it'd be recording on the Xbox, and then it'd be recording just outside like this, and just normal videos in the car like I normally do. But I'm going to get new tyres for my car soon for the winter, so that'll be a video coming up soon. Yeah, she's looking a bit dusty and dirty, but it's a good thing actually, because where I park we're near the sea, so when people jump in, the car actually gets quite salty, so it protects it with the dirt on. Yeah, this is going next year. God, that was a long walk, and I need a piss. I need a Hoover in there. I might get the Hoover out later to shoot my car. Oh my god, that was turn the aircon on. Put my hand in the way, lovely. Yeah, put the aircon on. 28 degrees in here. It's warm. Needs to get clean in here. I'm gonna go home in a minute and clean it. Whoa, jeez, where's man? Same now, 2 o'clock. Go home and clean my car. That's what I'd do for the day. Not wash it outside, just inside. Oh, jeez. Oh, I'm not used to that walking. But yeah. So yeah, I'll catch you. Well, I might catch you later, but if not, I hope you enjoyed this little video. I know it's a bit of a boring one, but yeah, I'll see you in the next one. If I don't see you in a minute.